Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you the solution for Gemini is not recognized as an internal or external command. So here you can see I have installed Gemini CLI in my system, but for some reason it is giving me this error. And at the same time, if you install Gemini in Visual Studio Code and if you write here Gemini in the terminal in the Visual Studio Code, it will give you this error: Gemini, the term Gemini is not recognized as the name of cmd-led function. So this error happen when your system cannot find the Gemini path. So how to solve this? First of all, you need to make sure that your Gemini is properly installed. And how can you check it? So for it, you need to write over here npm config get prefix. And if you just write this, then press enter, it will show you the path location. So here you can see we need to go to this location and check whether Gemini is properly installed or not. So here you can see we need to go to our C drive, users folder, then user app data roaming npm. Right. So let me just go to my file explorer. I'll go to my local disk C, then go to users, then user. After that, we need to go to the app data roaming and npm. So here in this user folder, you will be able to see app data folder. But if for some reason, if app data folder is not visible, then what you need to do is that you need to click on view, then click here show, and here you can see just check this on hidden items. And once you check this, app data folder will show over here. So right now we need to go inside this folder, and inside app data we have roaming folder, and inside this roaming folder we need to look for npm. So here you can see npm folder. So let's go inside npm folder, and there you can see you will see 3 files. Sometimes you may see 4 or 5 files. So here you need to make sure that gemini.cmd file is here. So here you can see gemini.cmd file is here. It means Gemini is installed in our system, but it is not able to find the Gemini path. So how can we solve it? So for it, what you need to do is that we need to go to our Windows search option, then right over here environment. Here you can see edit the system environment. So I'm going to click here, then go to the advanced section. Here you can see advanced, click on advanced, then here you can see environment variables. So you need to click here. After that, here you can see user variables for user. So over here you will see this path option. So click on path, then click here edit, and over here you need to give this path. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, then I'm going to paste the path over here. So in order to paste it, we need to click on new, and there you can see over here we are going to paste the path, then you need to click OK. So here you can see we actually mentioned the Gemini path over here. And one more thing that you should do is that here you can see system variables, and in the system variable you need to click on path, then click here edit, and you need to make sure that you also have the Node.js path over here. Here you can see I already have the Node.js path, so you also need to make sure that you have Node.js path in your environment variable. Okay, so right now we're going to click on OK, then click here OK. So make sure to click OK, otherwise it won't be saved. So right now what you need to do is that you just need to close your command prompt and also close the Visual Studio on as well, and go to the Windows search option right over here cmd. Basically we are reopening our command prompt, and right now this time if we say here Gemini, it shouldn't give us any error, and there you go. This time we're able to successfully see the Gemini interface. So the same thing goes for the Visual Studio as well. So let me just say over here Visual Studio Code, and terminal is already opened, and I'm going to serve here Gemini and press enter, and there you can see we are also able to see the Gemini interface in Visual Studio Code terminal as well. So this is how you can fix your issue. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next AI tutorial.